Michael here is going on his first ever bay fishing trip.
Not fishing trip. Bay fishing.
That's what I said, bay fishing trip.
Oh yeah.
Come on, dude. And yeah, he's never been on a boat. He's been on a ship, like a cruise, but never been on a little boat. So we'll see how he does. He's not gonna take any Dramamine. Is it Dramamine or Dramamine? What? No, you know what I mean.
Dramamine.
What? It's Dramamine. So we'll see how he does. I went deep sea fishing in Florida not too long ago, and I didn't do too well. So we'll see how this is. And Letty is coming along today.
So
this is her first time ever at the beach, so we'll see how she does. She had ice cream on the way here, so she's already getting spoiled.
Yes, she's a spoiled brat.
Yeah, so today we're just driving out there. Tomorrow we go on our little fishing trip. We'll get some clips and hopefully we catch something. Right now, what is the season? I think it's reds right now. So
Get your red the size of my arm.
we'll see about that.
We'll watch.
Who do you think is gonna catch the biggest fish? Me or Michael? I think I'm gonna catch the biggest. Or who's gonna catch the first fish? Fish.
Who wants to catch these fish?
You're done.
But
anyways. So yeah, we're gonna see. Hopefully we catch something.
we will.
Keepers at that. Keepers.
We'll catch a lot. I bet we'll catch a lot.
We didn't even get our fishing license. Now that I think about it, we need to go get our fishing license.
Yeah.
Letty's just gonna hang out and wait to see what we catch.
Yeah, we're gonna jam out on a two-hour long drive now.
I know. Oh yeah, we're going to Rockport, Texas. There's not really too many beaches there. It's mainly for fishing. So
It's a Rockport. There's a lot of rocks.
anyways. So I guess we'll guys.
Yeah. We'll see y'all later. We gotta get to the cabin. We're going with my brother-in-law, her brother, and then my father-in-law, her dad, and then an old buddy that we used to work with, or I used to work with. So it's gonna be fun. I'm happy. I'm excited. I'm gonna catch a shark.
Anyways, guys.
We'll see y'all later.
Bye. Good morning. So we're finally out here waiting. I'm excited, but we'll see if we catch anything. Like I said, we're going bay fishing.
Bay fishing.
Say hi. Say hi, guys. Yeah, so we'll see who catches the first fish of the day. It's my plan.
$20 on the line.
We'll see. There you go.
40.
What's the deal? What's the plan? Who wins? What are we winning?
I win $100 for the first fish and the big fish.
Okay.
I'm gonna give y'all a head start.
Yeah. So, who do you think is gonna get the first fish? I don't know. We'll see what happens. Bye.
Later.
22 and a half.
There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby.
Now you understand how they take off? Breathe, breathe now, just breathe. Lean more. Lead the board.
Hey. Oh! Oh, dang! Shit! Come on, baby.
Come on, it's all you, Mom. It's all you. Come on.
Come on. Right there. Woo, there he is. It's big. It's big. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Look, you gotta get up. Get up on top. Get up on top. Hey, look at that big boy. Look at that big boy. One of y'all is gonna have to throw one of these away. What are you doing? Oh, he alive. How was your fishing trip?
It was fun. I'm hot now. Caught 2 fish. Tagged 1.
Didn't I tell you guys who was gonna catch the first fish of the day? And who caught the biggest fish of the day?
31 and a half.
Ooh.
That's crazy. So I guess we made 160? 160 bucks. They're all red, so catching a lot of hard heads, gas top, but
Getting everything filleted over there. Fish fry, fish boil next weekend, maybe. We'll see.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're gonna be driving here in a little bit, so catch y'all up later. Alright guys, we made it home. Sleeping Beauty here, slept almost all the way. So did little Letty. But it's 1:07. We're gonna get unpacked.
It is 5:45.
It's 5:45 and it's 107 degrees outside. She's hungry. I'm hungry. You're tired. We're gonna go. We're going. We're gonna get unpacked, but we'll see you guys later. Okay, slowly. Not too much. Hello.
Hey guys.
So we're done with everything. We went and did the fish fry.
It was so good.
Fish came out really good, really good. But yeah, there's no videos of me catching any of my fish because, you know, I was the one videoing for everybody else. So it's okay. Nobody really got Samuel's fish either, the guy with the blue shirt.
But to be fair, at one point they both had a fish on the line at the same time.
Yeah.
So we weren't gonna be like, wait.
Yeah. But it was fun. The fish was good. I caught the biggest fish. I caught the longest fish. Well, what was it? It was the biggest and the first fish. I caught both of them like I said I would.
Whatever.
But she caught 3.
I got 2.
No, you caught 3.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You caught 3, and then the last one had to get thrown back into the water because we ran out of tags.
No, that was my second one. I only caught 2 fish. I caught a 24-inch and a 28
Oh,
and a half.
her dad caught 3. Yeah.
See, guys? See, I'm telling the truth.
Right. But we have fun. It was a really cool experience.
Next will be deep sea fishing. Have anybody been deep sea fishing?
Yeah.
Where would you guys recommend going deep sea fishing?
Mm-hmm.
So comment down below.
Yeah, but it was fun. I enjoyed every bit of it, and I can't wait to go deep sea fishing. But we got another trip coming up. We're gonna not give that away yet. We're gonna be planning for that one. Maybe we'll bring you along the way while we plan, but it's gonna be real cool. So that one's coming up soon. So we'll keep you updated for that one. Yeah, stay tuned. Anything else you want to say?
Our next video will be coming up pretty soon too.
Oh yeah.
Maybe like, what's today?
Thursday? Maybe soon. We'll finish that one here too in a little bit. But
Yeah.
we'll upload it. Stay tuned. We got some more stuff coming up.
We're going to be trying to upload weekly. We just don't have a set schedule yet.
My schedule's really messed up. So, but okay. That it? Later.
Bye.